Hey, what's up everyone? So I have the 16 by 16 patio that I wanted to redo the weed barrier underneath with some new weed liner. Be sure to stay to the end to see the full video of how everything turned out. I thought it turned out pretty good, even using the same stones that I had laid down before, probably a couple years ago. I eventually plan to add some plants and a bench that I'm probably going to build out of some scrap wood that I have laying around. So stay tuned for that video. This was the smallest frog that I've ever seen in the backyard. Today the weather was like 90 degrees, so it was super hot. So I had to stay hydrated. I did have some water on standby that every now and then I went and got a drink of water just to stay hydrated. The stone that you see me putting in the pail was some stone that I laid around the edges a year or two back. I really didn't like it because it attracted a lot of spiders, and as you see, the baby frogs and everything. Just gonna reuse this as some filler when I do some concrete around the shed sometime this year. So since I had that first area dug up, I went on to lay the weed liner so that I can maneuver the rocks onto this liner and so forth on to make it a little easier so I wouldn't have to dig it into a big pile. So here you see me maneuvering some more of those big stones that I had placed around the edge. When I tell you I don't know what I was thinking when I placed those there, because getting it up was a pain. I had at least 200 rocks that I had dug up. So this is day 2. I had to call it quits. It was just too hot and I was ready to go inside for some AC. But this is day 2. I had already got started, and you're gonna see me getting the last little bit and the finished product. So now that I got the weed liner all down, you're gonna see me here slinging the rocks and just hauling to get it done. Patio. Can't wait to add some furniture out there to really spruce it up and add the plants and everything. Thanks for watching.